Hey everybody, I'm Sean with the Brothers Workshop, and today we're back with our 2014 Chevy Silverado we lovingly named Patches. Why, you ask? Because today we're going to be showing you how to replace the cabin air filter. It's a very easy fix. It doesn't take much automotive knowledge, and you guys can do it with probably in a half an hour at the most. So if you like this kind of stuff, if you find this video informative, hit that like button for us. That way we know to keep bringing this stuff to you. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss any of the videos we have pertaining to the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. If you're interested in it, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. There, you'll stay up to date on all the stuff you can't see here on YouTube. Hey, we're pretty interesting guys, you know what I'm saying? Right down in here we have to remove the glove box. When we do, we'll have access to remove the old one and put the new one in. So, there's nothing to it but to do it, right? And before we do it, just so you know, we're going to be using a 9/32 bit. Fits right in there. Oh, sorry. Now there's 4 of those guys, 2 underneath and 2 right here. That guy pulls right out of there. And then if you come in down here, take a real good look. See that light? Get that light on there. This right here is your cabin air filter. So once you're in here, you have a clip up here. Pull that out. The clip back here, it's the same thing. Pull that out, take this thing out of here. Oh boy, that thing's dirty. Oh. Oh man, that's disgusting. That right there is 110,000 miles without ever once changing that air filter. If there was a filter that needed replaced on this truck, I'm going to go ahead and say this is it. Wow. That's 110,000 miles without ever replacing it. It's a 2014, it's 2021 now. Guys, this is why you need to replace this stuff. You don't think about it all the time, but this is what you're breathing in. This is what's going through the cabin, being circulated. Oh, man. Oh. This is why you guys got sinus problems, why you're sneezing all the time, why your truck smells like crap. Replace this thing. Okay guys, so we went and got the CarQuest version for the cabin air filter. The model is going to be R91129. Again, that's R91129. If you guys want to get one of these for yourself, the link is going to be in the description below. I'm sick of talking about it. Let's install it. Ooh, that guy's clean, way cleaner than the other one. If you don't believe me, whoa! That's disgusting. Come on. Ah man, I got leaves in there still. So it says airflow, made in the USA. That's what I like to see right there. That right there. you guys think? You see that good? It just slides right in there like that. And little cap on there. Oh man, simple, super simple. Make sure you don't over tighten them. Alright, there you have it, guys. It's installed, ready to breathe nice, clean air. Alright guys, very simple, very quick, and now I'm ready to breathe some clean air. If you guys stuck around this long, I know you enjoyed the video, so go ahead and hit that like button for us. That way we can bring more of this stuff to you. And if you're interested, you guys can follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Brothers Workshop. There, you'll stay up to date on everything we're doing outside of YouTube. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel because I know you guys love Patches here. How do I know you love Patches? Because I love Patches. And I'm going to bring more videos about her to you guys soon. And I know you don't want to miss out. So, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.